If you are looking for a fun, savoury sandwich for an afternoon tea, this Guinness bread with pickled cucumbers is absolutely gorgeous. First up, for my Guinness bread, I'm going to be adding in my wet ingredients to my Kenwood kMix. This is fitted with the K-beater. Buttermilk, the melted butter and treacle, of course don't forget the star ingredient, Guinness. Next in, the dry ingredients: sugar, salt, baking soda, porridge oats, plain flour, and wholemeal flour. Mix all of these ingredients well. And spoon into the prepared loaf tin. Sprinkle on some porridge oats. Place this into a preheated oven set at 180-160 fan, and this will take 50 minutes to bake. While my Guinness bread is in the oven, I'm going to make a really fast and easy pickled cucumber. Taking your cucumber, cut it lengthways, and using a teaspoon, de-seed. Using a vegetable peeler, peel the cucumber into ribbons. Pop the cucumber ribbons into a bowl and add the salt. Mix these well and allow to sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, pour off any excess liquid and let's add our remaining ingredients. First in, the lemon juice and zest, white wine vinegar, coriander seeds, sugar, and chopped dill. Mix these well. You can pop these into the fridge and keep it chilled until needed. Once our Guinness and treacle bread is baked, remove from the oven and allow to sit in the tin for 5 minutes before turning it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. So my bread is cooled and my pickles are ready. Now it's time to assemble. I'm just dressing these with some gorse flowers to add a little bit of flavour but more pop of colour. And that's it guys, that is my take on a non-traditional cucumber sandwich.